Hi, everyone. There's nothing easier than using Illustrator scripts. Just select the object and run the script you need. These scripts will save you time and effort. In this video, I will show you 5 the best scripts that will help you in Illustrator for free. To download and install these scripts, the link is mentioned in the description. Let's move to the first. Metaball Acr. Metaball Acr, I need circles which I create with the help of the ellipse tool.
Hold the Alt button to copy.
Now select both, go to the File menu, then Script and Metaball Acr. Click on the Preview button and set the rate of the arc, and that's it. Let's try it with another. Follow me. Let's move to the second one, which is Fillinger. Fillinger, this is my favorite script in the list. To use this, I need shapes which I create with the help of the ellipse tool. Create 2 circles, keep one fill, and change the other to outline. Expand them and group them. Now create another circle. Select all, go to the File menu, then Script and Fillinger. Here we have multiple options you can play around, and that's it. Let's try it with another. And that's it. Let's try it with another.
Follow me.
And that's it. Let's move to the third one, which is Random Swatches Fill Color. Random Swatches Fill Color, I have this tree with a lot of leaves and a pattern of triangles for the script. Go to the Swatches panel, hold the Shift button. And click on the Group button, name it. Now select the pattern. Then go to the File menu, then Script and Random Swatches Fill Color, and that's it. Let's try it with another. Go to the Swatches panel. Hold the Shift button and select the green colors. Then go to the File menu, then Script and Random Swatches Fill Color, and that's it. Let's move to the fourth one, which is Triangulator. I need shapes to use this script, which I need to create. Select the polygon tool. Let's select another. Star tool. Let's change its color. Then, I have this fox shape. You can use any shape you prefer. To apply the script on it, go to the File menu, then Script, and Triangulator. Hold the Alt button while applying this script to open the options. Let's try it with others. These are separate triangles you can easily change. Click on the R color button to change its colors. And that's it. Let's move to the fifth one, which is TextBlock. A text block. For this script, I need text, which I type. Select all the text. Go to the File menu, then Script and TextBlock. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.